Unit 7, Assessment, Inequalities. What is your first and last name? Now you must select your cycle number. Write the word sentence as an inequality. Number 1. A number B is less than 12. Number 2. A number Y divided by 6 is no more than 2. Number 3. A number N is greater than or equal to 100. Tell whether the given value is a solution of the inequality. Number 4. X plus 3 is greater than 12 when X equals 5. So you're going to plug in 5 for X and tell us if that's solution of the inequality. Number 5. N divided by 6 is less than or equal to 4 when N is equal to 12. So you're going to plug in what N is into the inequality and tell us whether that is a solution of that inequality. Solve the inequality. K plus 3 is less than or equal to 13. You're getting the K by itself. Number 7. A minus 10 is greater than 10. Remember, you're getting A by itself. Number 8. Are the following inequalities graphed correctly? So your first one is X is less than or equal to 11. And then your second one is X is greater than 11. Are they graphed correctly? Number 9. What inequality matches this graph? So look closely at the circle. It's an open circle, and the arrow is pointing to less than numbers than 4. Look closely at your choices. And number 10, which inequality matches the graph? The circle is a closed circle, and the arrow is pointing to the numbers that are less than 3. Look at your choices.